I'ma start going way up.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so, you not a threat, cause I really know so-and-so. They like my family, so they go pretend that they cool till they bust at your motherfucking chest. I'm getting gutter, my flow been like butter, my check in the bank. They see the number, all of my haters feel one of two ways. Really upset or they show some respect. I can't even think about it, I've been up, so read about it. No beat around it, straight to it, no ring around it. You coming for me, we'll see about it. We'll never see it when I get my feet up. 100 meters where I run the fee up and go ka-ching and I'm on a pia. I had to re-up on a real.
It's your boy Down with G, as you can see, back again with another one, right back at you. In today's video, I want to talk about a little bit about what I got going here lately. I know you guys been seeing me on the seeing me doing a lot of leg work. Well, you know that because I'm trying to get stronger, and again, I don't want to just look stronger. I want to be stronger, and I'm trying to build my strength. I want to be a lot stronger. I want to be that nigga in the gym, like, oh man, like, man, he a beast, you know what I mean? So basically that's why I'm kind of more like on this leg journey. I'm on this leg journey, and I'm trying to build my quads up and trying to get strong in my legs, basically what I'm trying to do. And overall, it's good for the body too, for your testosterone and stuff. So with that being said, that's why, you know, I just want to just kind of elaborate on that a little bit of the reason why you see me do a lot of legs in my video and stuff, because I'm on it, as I call it, I like to call it the leg journey, you know what I mean? And I'm trying to do legs I want to say 7 days a week of some type of leg workout. But mostly I've been doing a lot of my squats, been trying to get better in my squats, because I don't do squats a lot because I have a bad back in the way. I have a bad disc, and anyway, they told me not to do. Anyway, the doctor was telling me you can do squats, but you got to go light. So I've been doing a lot of more of repetitions and stuff. But I think in my next video, I'm gonna try to go up on my squats a little bit more. But anyway, with that being said, in today's video is about arms and working biceps and stuff like that. Hammer curls, different ways to do hammer curls. I got some bench press in there, preacher curls. Oh, I'm sorry. No, I don't have bench presses on this video. I have a lot of preacher curls, hammer curls. I got some other stuff in there too. But in this video, I think it's a good video. Excuse me. And I think you guys would like this video. So please, I want to thank the people that come to my channel and watch my videos and everything. I want to say thank you, and I appreciate you guys checking me out, checking my channel out. And some of you guys, hopefully you guys will later on will start subscribing to my channel. And I like the ones I like what I'm seeing, and my numbers starting to grow as well too. So I just want to say that thanks again for taking time out, watching my videos. It's an honor, it's a pleasure, and I really appreciate you guys watching my video. And I also want to say, hopefully, I'm gonna do another collab. So anyway, I got more people coming in. Gonna do more collaboration with other people. Hopefully here pretty soon. And anyway, I just wanted to say thanks for watching my channel and subscribing. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. And I'll see you in the next video. One.
Yeah. Let's go. Hey. When I pull up in my ride, whole squad down the slide. If you're scared, go inside. You ain't stopping this grind. When I pull up in my ride, whole squad down the slide. If you're scared, go inside. You ain't stopping this grind. Somebody tell them don't gas me up. Remember when they used to pass me up like I ain't have enough? But them stacks been stacking up, and my stock price going up. Them haters mad for what? Lately shit ain't been adding up. Give you my heart, but you can't have my trust. I'm hoping that's enough, cause that success will make them hate you. But I remember when I had your love. When I pull up in my ride, whole squad down the slide. If you're scared, go inside. You ain't stopping down the slide. If you're scared, go inside. You ain't stopping this grind. And you can catch me in your hood creeping. Yeah, BMW in this beating. Take care of the squad, make sure everybody eating. Yeah, then let's come up what we seeking. Tell them keep it quiet, gotta play the game smart. Be down to make you move when the ball is in your court. It'll all come to light if it was done in the dark. And don't pull if you ain't down to let it spark. When I pull up in my ride, whole squad down the slide. If you're scared, go inside. You ain't stopping this grind. When I pull up in my ride, whole squad down the slide. If you're scared, go inside. You ain't stopping this grind. When I pull up in my ride, whole squad down the slide. If you're scared, go inside. You ain't stopping this grind. When I pull up in my ride, whole squad down the slide. If you're scared, go inside. You ain't stopping this grind.
said we better off as best friends. Ooh, what's a best friend? Can you let me know what it mean to be a best friend? That mean on the next man. Here we go, better off one time for the best friends. Best friends, best friends, one time for the best. Best friends, best friends, think we better off. She think we better off as besties. I can tell her it's a different when we texting. Cause I'm a nice dude, they try to test me. Had to slide up by that zone for the bestie. I can be your friend, do you wanna do that? Talk about me to your friends, I'm like, where your